What's up everyone? I hope you're all doing well. Now, Instagram is packed with a lot of features that often go underused. In this one, I'll show you how you can spice up your Instagram with some useful tips and tricks that you probably don't know about. They keep getting better as we go higher on the list, so stay tuned till the very end. With that being said, let's get started. With the current lockdown situation, there's been an obvious influx in the number of people on Instagram per day, and that means more people have been going live depending on who you follow. And if you're like me and don't fancy getting notified at 3 a.m. about someone going live, then you can easily turn it off, and I'll show you how. Just go to your settings from your profile page and then select notification. You'll see live and IGTV. Then from there you can turn it off. The Instagram profile picture is usually very small and there's actually no way to view the full-size image from within the Instagram app. But there's still a way that you can view someone's picture if you really wanted to. To view the full-size image of any profile, just go to the specific profile you want. Click on the three dots on the profile. Open your browser and paste the link there. Before you enter the link, add a 0 right before Instagram, and then enter the URL. From the website that you'll be redirected to, you can easily view the image by tapping on the profile photo. Cyberbullying is a common thing on the internet, and Instagram is no exception to it. Good thing they recently rolled out a new feature called Restrict, which will enable users to limit the exposure of unwanted comments on their posts. The person you restrict won't even know they're restricted, and they will be the only ones who can see their post. To restrict a user, just hold on a specific comment and some options will appear. Restrict will be amongst them. You can use this to restrict any type of comments that you don't want to be shown on your posts without necessarily having to delete anything. Depending on who you follow, you may or may not have seen some people with Instagram bios with very unique fonts or symbols, and maybe you wanted to do the same on your page to make it stand out a little bit more but didn't know how to do it. Well, if that's you, then you're in the right place. The first thing you'll need to do is copy the text you want on your bio. Then go to igfonts.io, which will be linked in the description, so you can check it out after you're done watching the video. The site allows you to generate text fonts that you can copy and paste on your IG bio. It is a good way to make your IG page stand out and have some personalization. You can also use it for other social media sites, and you can paste the fonts literally anywhere else you want. Another cool feature that I often don't see anyone using on my feed is the ability to draw arrows automatically. This can be mostly useful when you want to highlight something specific on a post before sharing it with your followers on Instagram. Just tap on the highlighted icon and then select the arrow, and now just draw anything and it will have an arrowhead at the end. Now on Instagram stories, there's a cool trick you can use to write text with multiple colors. Just take a picture or plain background that you want to share, write a specific text message that you want to share to your followers, select all the text, and then hold on any color to open the gradient interface. Now move your finger while you move the gradient position to have this really cool rainbow effect.
It takes time to get used to, but once you get it, you'll be okay. A good way to spice up your Instagram feed is by following hashtags of the things that you're interested in. Whether it's art or technology like me, you can just search for any hashtag on anything that you might think of, and there's probably a lot of people who post under that hashtag. Once you follow it, you'll be getting posts from other people, even if you don't follow them, but you have similar interests. As time moves forward, we grow as individuals and our cameras keep getting better, and that creates a disconnect between our pictures from now and maybe 3 years ago, and they may depict you in a way that you are not comfortable. So instead of having to delete the entire post, you can actually just archive the picture. This will remove it from your feed and save it where only you can view it. You can view the most recent post of anyone you follow without them knowing or without appearing on the list of people who have viewed the status. Just open the story right before the one you want to view, hold the screen, and move to the direction of the post until you see the full context without actually opening the post. You can use this trick to view posts without appearing on the list of people who have viewed. Another cool trick is writing animated text. The first thing you need to do from your Instagram stories is open any post, swipe up and search for any animated GIF. I usually just search for diamond. Once selected, enlarge the GIF so that it covers most of your post, and then save it to your camera roll or gallery. Start creating a new post. Select the media that you just saved or the one that you just created. Select the drawing tool. Now select any color down below and hold the screen to make it turn to one color. Once completely covered, just select the eraser tool and create your post. And that's pretty much it for the list. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you can get notified anytime I upload. Until the next one, I'm out. Peace.